Oh my.
It's the final brain cell. Oh!
No, I never did, but I should know.
Oh my god, I can't.
So there I was at the market, and I said, you know, give me 4 carrots for $3.50, and he said no.
Yeah, man. Oh, thanks, man. Wait, you're gonna waste that, are you?
True water.
Sure. Fire. Chair.
Girlfriend hasn't talked to me in 3 fucking days because she's mad that I hooked up with her identical twin. They're identical twins. And I told her that. I'm like, babe, how am I supposed to tell the difference? And then she brings up the argument saying, oh, well, he has a penis.
But fuck you, that's what. 10,000 years of evolution and this. Pathetic. Oh yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I don't want to have to tell you again. Get the hell out of here, alright? Get out of here, you son of a bitch! Get out of here!
Hi, boys. I have a question for the men. What the fuck do you want?
Morgan.